Alrighty, I figured it out. Hopefully I'm a bit louder this time. Mute it again. How'd I do that? Okay, picking up right from where we left off. We made some droppers. No, we didn't. We made dropper meta table. Now it's time to do a lot more heavy lifting. Upgraded time. I can't tell. Am I loud enough this time? I feel like I'm still very quiet. Hang on. Now that I feel like that's too quiet now. Oh. Okay, great. So Roblox Studio just crashed. Hopefully nothing. Okay, did it again. No worries. Why does it do that? Come on. It's gonna do it again. Yeah. I don't need it. Not right now, at least. Now it starts working. Great. Thank you. What day is it? It's the 2nd. 3 p.m. 3:22. That's right. Okay. Now I can save to Roblox as... Alright. Hopefully I overwrite this the right thing. Cool. All good. Hopefully. Amazing. Upgraded. So we're gonna make one. .new. What I pass through for dropper? The player, the name, the C frame. Okay. That's probably all I need. Not capital, not capital. Okay. Local model equals replicated storage. Dot assets. That's not right. Dot icon parts. Name. Clone. Model dot parent equals parent. Model pivot 2. This doesn't have the right intelligence. Good. C frame. I forgot to make self. That's not right. Man, I'm hungry. Hungry fella. Let's do self dot model equals model again. Now, function upgraded clean. We're gonna make a connection. Do I do? I think I do. Alright, get attribute value, which is what we did to the normal parts. How do I make it so it only does it like once? Touched parts. I mean, hopefully it only does it once, but... yeah, I'll just do it like this. Actually, if there's no error to have to fix, I shouldn't try. Okay, let's get the multiplier. What's the multiplier gonna be? Upgrade parts. Nope, tycoon parts. Name. The multiplier. There's probably a better way of doing it. Alright. What else needs cleaning up? The model. Model needs to be destroyed. And that's about it, I think. Alright, and setting self to nil. Does it need owner? I mean, if a part it touches, yeah, okay, it does. And attribute owner equal to self to owner, then we'll do it. means I have to come in here. And oh. Is that good? Looks good enough. As long as it only counts a touch once. Alright. Okay. Right, I forgot to add clean in here. But I don't really need to, I don't think. I'll just do it for some peace of mind. And, what else? I don't think I need to write selling point. Okay. Now it'd probably be in here. Block claimed. Equals sell point equals. Do I have the plot? I don't have the plot. What am I doing? Wait. Okay. Thought I was doing cyclical logic. I was not. I'm all good. Yeah, let's just do. Whoa. Don't do that. Okay, no, that will just give us a plot, which is a model, and then local cell part equals plot dot cell part, which is also a model. So I'll rename that to just cell. But that makes a bit more sense. And then cell dot primary part dot touched function toucher, which is apparently a base part, and then local value equals toucher get attribute value. If it's not capital, if value, then if toucher get attribute owner is equal to player, then wait, I can't do that, can I? You can't just give an attribute. It's gonna have to be like player.userid. But that's fine. Just need to go back in time to here and to here. Cool. Oh, what did I do? No, nothing. Hopefully. Toucher destroy and give the value. So data service. Nope. It's here. caching. Value, nope, can't do that. Let's just call it A0. Don't mind. A0 plus value. And this is a RBX connection. Script signal, RBX connection. I'm fairly sure this is an RBX connection looking thing. So I'll just add that to a trove. Self-doubling troves. Add connection. Okay. Alright, so function server dot place part self server player, and then it's, I don't know, part. Do I have a type for it? Inventory item. And spot. Point. Okay. Wait, no. Place down, right? No, not yet. I don't think, at least. Let's go. So I have a name. Type is string. Can I do dropper or upgrader? Is that how that works? Hang on. Surely not. Oh. I mean, it's not giving me any errors, we'll see. String. That's probably what it needs. And like, type isn't even needed, it's just like helpful. Anyway, server, what was I looking for again? Okay. Okay, well, let's get the data then. Because this is asking from the client, right? Fairly sure. So we're gonna make sure they've actually got the inventory item. So I do a check. Why have I got this up here? Shouldn't be up there. Should not be up there. Quite frankly. What else? Right, what else doing? Has item, place. Oh, what am I gonna call them? Parts or items? Has part. Wrong type. Let go. For, I don't know, property income value in what am I doing? No, that's useless. It's pointless. Okay, I shouldn't be saving the types, man. Even though it's kind of cool. But if I do part dot type equals, yeah, that's cool. But no, pointless. I can do that elsewhere though. Where's my tycoon parts? Yeah. You are a dropper. Should probably put this at the top. You're an upgrader. Dropper. Upgrader. Cool. Types. I gotta get back to the type. It's just inventory name mutation. Okay. What was I doing? Something like that. If v dot name equal to part dot name and v dot mutation equal to part dot mutation, then return true I, else return false nil. Self is unnecessary, and now I can go here. So equal as part comma index equals self as part player part if has part then oh, that's right. If its type is that's what I was trying to do, type. My bad. I don't even need to do that though, because I can get the type. Okay, should I call it type? Yeah. Tycoon parts. Am I louder this time? I feel like I'm probably louder this time, which is good. Tycoon parts, part.name, dot type. There we go. If type equals, oh, that's so cool. Dropper, then actually, now I'll do it this way. Then okay, self dot player part. I can't do type checking for set meta tables. I've got no clue how that works. Back into here. Number trove dot trove. Actually, do I need that? No. If it's dropper, then okay, like unused index equals get unused index. Self dot player parts player.user ID. Okay. Just go self.player parts player.user ID unused index equals dropper.new. Yikes, that's a lot. Why did I do that? What happens to the dropper parent again? Drops parent. Does it get deleted or? No, it doesn't. So I could just have one big drops parent folder, which is what I think I'll do. Liquid drops folder because it's a new folder. Drops folder dot name equals drops. Drops folder dot parent equals game.workspace. Nope. Self dot drops folder folder equals drops folder. Great job. Self.drops folder, you can be okay, so I've got to delete this somehow. It's actually not terribly difficult. We just go here. And do the same sort of thing here. C-frame name is just part.name. C-frame is going to be, we got to get the point, the plot and stuff. Alright. Local equals plot service get plot player model plot dot points point dot C-frame index. Right, let's remove it. Okay, that's way too long. Can I do this? I mean, that still looks kind of ugly, but it'll work. Oh, that's such a bad way of doing it. It's not good, not good. But I'm gonna keep it like that. Yeah, alright, fine, that's fine. Inventory Tycoon part index nil, because it's not in the inventory anymore. And then we've got to set it into the place down. Placed down point. What do you say for placed down? It'd probably just be part. It's probably good. So if I go back to type, I can simplify it by getting rid of U. Get U, done. Alright, we're gonna add these guys to the trove and have them crawl clean, so where's that? Actually, these can just all go after we've done all of this. That can't, but, wait. No, these can, though. Then... Patrons... Hopefully that won't give me any errors, but I just don't want to have like the stuff.players thing in the add area, but oh. Hopefully that's fine. Alright, and the method being clean. Yeah, that should be good. Good. No, we're just gonna do that for the upgrader. This can go here as well. Local upgrader equals upgrader dot new part dot name plot dot point dot c frame. Parts name. I'm doing it again. I have to oh yeah, no points. That's it. Like, is this? Why is it giving me? What? Oh. Let's copy you, because upgrader. There's a lot of copying code. I probably could have done this in one point, but oh well. Upgrader. What am I doing? Ugh. Right. Is that it? I feel like I probably didn't flesh out the upgrader enough. It all looks fine to me. Okay, what's next? When the player joins, it should go through all their parts and add them. So plot claimed. Do I get them? You don't. Local parts equals data service. Get player place down for parts in pairs parts. Do place part. Point is going to be I, which I forgot. What's next? Oh wait, no, not place part. That's wrong. Because this checks if they have the part. So this is what would be firing if the client attempts to place part. So attempt place part. And we'll just make another one, which is very similar, just no client access. Place part. Wow. Thank you, Hamish. No. Let's see. Here shouldn't check if they have or change anything. Doesn't have to have any parts. That should be fine. Which means from here, this is all just logic I can throw in here. Like that. Nice. What am I doing? Here. I haven't started on the client neither. Oh. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to start on the inventory service. It's not gonna be my favorite part. Inventory service. Okay. So if I'm hitting the microphone each time, the cable is coming over my keyboard. So it's making it very difficult. .server.new. Nope, gotta do it here. For some terrible reason. Okay, well, I'm gonna store the tools. Yeah, I'll store them over here. Number. What's it gonna be? Just a number to a tool? I don't know. Probably something like that. Self-top player troves. Similar thing. Number. Trove. Self-dot player tools, player user ID, nope, user ID equals that. Player troves, player, user ID equals trove.new. For yeah, in pairs. Data dot inventory dot yeah, we'll make the crates first. Do what's going on? What's going on? Why does it look like this? That's not how it's meant to look. Have I just done everything wrong? Okay. Let's make the tools then. What else do I need? I need a name. A type. Which will be crate or tycoon part. It's because it's going to have to fetch different models from different places for those two. What else? What else? Mutation, which is a string, probably. What's it called? Possibly. Actually, no. That's always a string, right? Because you've got the crates can be mutated, and so can the thingos. So it's always gonna be there. That's probably about it for now, at least. Tool info. Equals instance.new tool. Tool.name equals tool info. It's not .name. I don't know. Right. Local model equals nil model if tool info dot type equals crate and model equals replicated storage dot assets dot crates tool info dot name clone. Actually, I don't need that. Else if tool info dot type equals tycoon part, then what does that do here? What am I doing? There's so many squiggly yellow lines. Model equals replicated storage dot assets dot. What's the other one called? Tycoon parts. Tool info dot name. Cool. Now we just grab everything from the model. So, actually no, first we go model dot primary part dot name equals handle for it's gonna be in pairs model get children. Why am I not getting IntelliSense though? Dot parent equals tool model destroy. And we need a player in here so we can give it to the player. And not parent equals player.backpack Cool. Cool. Is Derp still playing? Derp, what? Is he still streaming? He is. Oh wow. Amazing. How's it doing? That's still scripting. Self create tool. v.name. v.mutation. Great. Oh. Amen. Fumbling. v.name. v.mutation. Tycoon bar. Cool. Okay. Now we're gonna make it functional. So tool.equipped is a signal. Connect function. Unequipped connect function. Tool dot used? No. What's the other ones I need? Do I need activated? I think I'll survive without activated. I'll just add both. I'm not sure if it's even needed, but hopefully it is. No need to add the tools. Networker, fire, player, tool equipped, tool info. Tool unequipped, tool info. It's been 1 hour again. So was that like 5 hours now today? Close to? Roughly 5 hours. It's not terrible. I mean, for what I've got done it is, but... And it's we should add function server dot player removed, self server player. We clean up the trove. Do I need tools? Seems kind of pointless. I'll get rid of that for now. Okay, data service, dot server, get index changed, return signal. Am I gonna have to add this to the trove as well? Hopefully not, but I probably will try to anyway. Inventory. Crates. Connect function. It's gonna be I, V, I'm fairly sure. Looks like I isn't needed, so let's just do this again. Get index changed. Oh no, I see. Okay. Whoops. I am going to need soft apply tools because I need to remove them sometimes. Yeah, my bad. Not that big of a deal though, it's just a couple lines. So now we need to go local tool equals this, and we need I, and then software player tools player user ID I equals tool. I see the error. Oops. And then what I'm doing is presuming this like updates when v also equals nil. So if v else yeah, else equals alright, that's right. There's a lot of copied code here. Might need to do something about that. I can't be bothered right now. Destroy because it's a tool and then set it to nil. I don't know. Possibly. It's a... I've got intelligence on this now. So why is it monkeying around? Do I have to do this? If so, that's so silly. What's it error typing? I'm so confused, man. It's fine. It should work. And then... Okay. I'm guessing the nil is kind of pointless if I just do destroy, right? Right, Jet? This again. Yeah, I don't like this though. I'll do it anyway. Oh. Oh well. Not much I can do now. There's quite a bit I can, but it's fine. Let's close all this up so nobody ever sees it. Okay, let's set up the client now. No, what am I doing? You work less well when you're hungry. Man, it's a solid look. I'm gonna have to put tool info in as a type now. Eepee. That's wonderful. That's so wonderful. I don't have it here. Alright, I'm back, but I've still got food, so it's slightly annoying to have to work around that. Alright. Placing new Tycoon service. That's the one that should be placing. I'll just let this cool off while I do a bit more work. Let's set this up. Okay. Self dot missing connection equals no, but it's no fixed connection. I think. Self client. So we need inventory service. As long as this isn't requiring Tycoon, it is not. Dot tool equipped signal colon connect function. Tool info type. Alright. Type dot. Oh, that's cool. It's got it saved for me. That's new. Tool info. Self dot. Placing ghost. How do I spell ghost? Model or nil, actually. My bad. I was muted because I was finishing off some food, but hopefully I don't do that for another 20 minutes. Start connection. Self-start placing connection equals run service. Oh. Done. Upbeat. Connect function. Highly doubt I'm gonna need that. Mouse. Gonna have to get the player. Play.mouse. No, play.getMouse. If mouse.target, then I don't want to concatenate though. It's just that's probably a bit better. Oops. So how do I check? Okay. So each level levels like this. I'll call it Tycoon levels. Basically, the first level, the first rebirth, or 0 rebirths, I guess, will have 1 equal to. What is 1? It's a dropper. And is VIP is equal to true. 2 is just a dropper. Nope. I'm guessing I only have 4? I don't know. How many? 4. I have 5. I was close. 5 is a dropper. 6 is an upgrader. And so is 7. We can just return this as number number I don't need to do all that, but type will be upgrader. Dropper. Got them around the wrong way. Doesn't matter though, but tell me it does. Is do I do a capital? Do I do a capital? I guess I will. I guess. Gee. Boolean sometimes. Okay. How do I make sure that the points that the player owns and yeah, that's the main one. How do I make sure? I could use attributes and all that, but do I want to do that? Oh, okay. I don't think I'll do that. I'll just, I don't know. Oh, somebody's in the chat. Vings. When was that? How long ago was that? Oh well, I missed it. I should probably pop out this chat then. Oops. Oh well. I can't really be bothered, but sure. If mesh dot target get attribute I'll do attributes, but I'm not going to assign them in here. I'll do that in plot because that makes more sense. Okay. V set attribute point true, not row, true. Okay. Self dot placing ghost dot. Okay, that's just gonna be extremely loud and annoying. How loud is that for you guys? Incredibly loud. Okay. You guys gotta put up with it. Mouse dot target dot C frame. Self dot point equals nil number. Hopefully, I don't know. Can the name just instantly be changed to a number? Is that how that works? Or am I gonna have to like to number it? Okay, it's a string, so I'm gonna have to change something. What's next? What else do I need to do? Input begin connect function, not fusion function. That's actually so loud. Dot. I can't do that. gotta do gamepad. All that. Self.network, why isn't that going? What's wrong? Something is not right. Why isn't it? Alright, that's fine. Does it attempt place? What does it need? Player part point. Name and mutation. Okay. Where am I? I'm lost. It's over here. I'm very confused why the IntelliSense is breaking. Okay, so it doesn't like not. Yeah. So silly. Oh, is it because aha, that's my fault then. Which means all of these could be that. My bad. What? You should still work. Okay. I don't need tool info. No, I do. Wait, what? Don't need self.placing ghost, but it kind of makes sense that it would need it. What's this? This is a connection. Okay. I think that's it. Probably not though. What's next? Rebirthing service? I think it is. I think it's rebirthing service time. Except not at all, actually, because I'd probably have to put that in plot, no? Because, like, feels like it probably should go in here, because the plot's going to change and all the stuff's going to get taken off it. I need some cold water or something, because I'm boiling. Boiling! Did I ever turn my mic off? I don't know. I might have had my mic on the entire time. Oh well. Oh, never mind. Stop it. What was I doing? Does anyone... What was I doing? Temp place part. Do I have that? I do. Placing ghost needs to go to nil. Well, I think I'm gonna just initialize everything. I think that's it. So far, at least. What's this guy doing? Wow. It's actually a really good game.
Oh my god, I just got a midday. Dude, this is a 20
Wow. He's still got another 8 hours left of his stream. I'm not gonna be doing all that, but what was I gonna do? I have like terrible memory right now. What was I gonna do? I'll set up the different levels. No. Create service. What's the client look like? temp open a temp place. Okay. Well, I gotta do a temp place then. We've gotta have a primary part. Nope, that's just a part. Primary part. This chat is in the way, it's going away again. Where do I set it? Where? Doesn't seem right to set it back here. But it's gotta be the same for all of them. Okay, let's just copy that. Give it to that, and I'll move it. Yeah, that's just so wrong for it to be up here though. No, it doesn't seem right. Oh, we should do this. Yeah, this makes sense. Cool. You set your primary part? I have not. There we go. That's more like it. What was I doing? Is it just that? Should the player just be able to place anything along here? Like that. Something like that. Maybe I change the color a bit. Okay, that looks good. Egg. No, not egg. Crate floor. Second floor. Main floor. This is the wrong place. We want to go to the crate service. Is this all in? No. Okay. Different place. what did I initialize? No. Wrong. Wrong. Oh. I'll probably just set the same order here. It's cool. Already gives me the tool info name. But why does it come out as A0? Dot start placing. Dot rendered. Nope, wrong one. Dot heartbeat. Connect function. Don't think I've gotten the player yet. Get the player. So I can get the mouse. Player dot get mouse. Mouse dot position. Mouse dot kit. Okay. If mouse dot target not name equals crate floor, then mouse dot target dot mouse dot target. Okay, so I'll say local plot equals mouse dot target dot parent. I don't know, which is a model, and if plot get attribute owner equals play dot user ID. Then self.selected crate equals nil model dot select why is it not getting IntelliSense? What's going on? It's probably fine. It is probably fine. Mouse dot hit. gonna be so many errors when I finally fix it all, but well, not fix it all, like, what's the word? Connect it all up, I don't know. I can't remember what the word is. If self.placing connection, then no. If self.selected create, then self.selected create destroy. Model equals instance, no. Duplicated storage dot assets dot create tool info dot name clone model dot main equals workspace no, we probably don't need to do all that. Self.selected create equals model. If toolinfo.type is not equal to create, then return end tool unequipped. If self.selected create, then destroy self.selection trove equals trove.new clean and self.placing connection, self.click connection equals user input service dot import begin connect function process input objects if turn end if is click input object, then what was it? What do I want to do? Self.click connection. Alright. Self-dot position. Is that it? I think that's it. Actually, it's probably a fetch. I can't recall though. It is. Why? Why'd I do it like that? It's probably fine. I don't actually need to fetch it or anything. It should be good. It's just if I wanted to get success or not. Yeah, it all seems fine. It's really not fully cooked here with... It all seems kind of wrong. Whatever, it is probably fine. Tool equipped, tool info, tool info. Placing ghost. I should probably make the placing ghost. I forgot about it. What do I do again over here? If self.placing ghost, then self.placing ghost destroy. Local model equals replicated storage assets dot tycoon parts. Tool info dot name clone. It's gotta be a model. Parent equals workspace. Self.placing ghost equals model. Cool. Equals nil. What does that even mean? Is that it? Hopefully. Hopefully that's it. Because I don't really want to do more than that. No. Self.plot, set attribute, owner, almost forgot about this. What else? Collection service, get tagged. Conveyor. Here's a part. Go C-frame. Does it have to be a base part? What's going on? Why can't I get a C-frame? What? I could. Seems wrong, but okay. So we go v dot velocity, something like that. And let me see. Say assembly linear velocity. Assembly linear velocity equals times, I don't know, conveyor strength. Is that how that goes? That's not how you spell it at all. What am I doing? Okay, it's closer. Hopefully that works. Man, it's just not gonna work yet, so I can't really test it out. So I guess it's time to get it to work. Start it, upgrade it, and start a dropper. Starter stick. Not correct. Start a crate. I gotta make a crate. Or do I? Toolbox time. Do I drop it in? Okay. It's taking its time. There we are. Now what if I change it to stud span? Smaller stud. Alternating stud. I think smaller stud's the way to go for this one. Nah, never mind. Inlet. Glue. No. Weld. Welding is not the way to go. Which one? I think I'll just leave it at stud. Primary part is center, which is the actual center. What is all this? Oh my. It's all very unnecessary. Just center, and then I have a primary part, which is 111. Transparency is also 1. Cool. So would this be called starter crate? Have everything anchored. King Collide off. And I know as soon as I click play, there's gonna be like 1,000 bugs. I have to get through them eventually, so let's go. Okay, it's a great start. Just forgot to name something the correct way. Forgot to do get plot. It's another thing I forgot. I have to set the primary part as well. Was the other thing it said? What? Just trying to get players luck before I've initialized luck. Great. Yeah, what am I doing over here? Self-to-play Troves, that's not correct. Tycoon service. Server. Play Troves. Where did I make the mistake? No, play Troves. There it is. Okay. From where? Create service. Oh, I'm not doing the play on added. My bad. Attempt to nil index with conveyor. Plot.conveyor. So it's probably not getting. It's getting the wrong conveyor. Where is that? Where is it? Where? There we are. I've got a feeling this isn't even firing though. No, it should be. No, it's not. I know it. I know it. Space is not crate.name. What? Oh, I see. My random isn't randoming it. That's not nice, because I don't like doing random. Let's just say starter crate for now. Tried to index stuff to. Oh, why do I keep doing that? Wait, stuff.crate troves? Okay, where was that? What? Oh, client, I see. Wait, what? Create drive. I see. Hopefully I didn't make that issue in multiple spots. Whoa. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Huh. How many crates? Well, what'd I do? With the clamp times delta time divided by 100. Why am I dividing it by 100? Must have got something wrong along the way. Pos 2 minus pos 1 is not what I did. I did the opposite. Then server for it is spawning like a bajillion crates. Task.wait crate time. Okay, it's a bit better now. Getting a whole 2 FPS right now. Okay. Probably shouldn't. So what should I do? How do I... Delta time is the amount of time between the last one. I don't know. Now if I... timesing it now won't do anything as well. I think... I think I should just up this. Come over here and spawn. I mean, that looks fairly equal. It is pretty cool though. Alright, I didn't talk about the UI. Oh, this was from a different game I was trying. And it's from another game I was copying. But it was a really cool game. They did like crazy good UI. But oh well. Why is it? It's probably because I have to move these guys up so that they aren't clipping through the center like this, and I've got to change a lot of things. So the buying should be the center, and I'll just make another part for the attachment UI to go on top of. How long has that been recording for? Almost 3 minutes? No, 3 hours again, so... Look, I'll make those all function... No, I'll make them look nice now. And then later, I'll probably stream again, I don't know. So, center is where the proximity prompt should go. And then UI goes here. Is that resting? Because it looks to be a bit indented. Yep. Yeah. Oh, whoops. Down. There we go. Better. So starter crate is all done. Go to assets, crates. I'll just take you back out here. You're not resting on the line, mister. Which means finish probably isn't either. I think that's good enough. Drag you back to plots. we just go here, proximity dot parent equals center equals UI. Alright, let's see if this works. Wow, truly spectacular. UI stroke has to be a bit thicker. And position should be swapped around. But that looks a lot better. Alright. That's it for the stream, guys. If you want more, make sure to tune in next time, where I'm going to be making